Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely enjoy Roblox on mobile. It's crucial to understand that Roblox is built for a secure and fair gaming environment. Third-party tools, often called executors, are not supported by Roblox. Attempting to use unauthorized software can put your account at risk, potentially leading to permanent bans and exposing your device to security vulnerabilities. Always prioritize official channels for the best experience. Using third-party tools carries significant risks beyond just a ban. These applications often require extensive permissions, potentially exposing your personal information and device data to malicious actors. Roblox employs robust security measures to detect and penalize accounts that violate their terms of service, including the use of exploits. Protecting your account and privacy should always be your top priority. Roblox is committed to maintaining a safe and fair environment for all its players. The platform is constantly updated with new security features designed to prevent and detect unauthorized modifications and exploits. Their terms of service clearly state that using third-party software to alter gameplay is strictly forbidden. By adhering to these guidelines and reporting any suspicious activity, you contribute to a safer community for everyone. The best and only recommended way to enjoy Roblox on mobile is through the official application, downloaded directly from your device's app store. Always keep your account credentials private and be wary of any external links or offers. Roblox offers millions of legitimate games and experiences created by its community, providing endless hours of safe and fun entertainment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.